Alright, it is very dark. What is up, everybody? Welcome back for another video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button up there. If you're already subscribed, you are pretty damn awesome. Today is the next phase of garage update, make the garage great again. And if we saw the last one, did the Swiss tracks, funky design, purple wheels. Today we have the cabinets. So the cabinets, look at these things. Oh, it just doesn't fit in the garage right now, but the ceiling's higher, so NewAge. These are NewAge cabinets, the NewAge Pro Series. Gonna start installing these. Should hopefully go together pretty easy. Hopefully they're not too heavy. And yeah, we'll show you how the shape is gonna lay out at the very end. I don't know, let's just put stuff together. I don't know how long this video is gonna be because I'm gonna try to focus. So these NewAge Pro cabinets, even the Bold Series comes in this too. This is the Platinum series. This is the Platinum color. Platinum color. I guess they're going by the door. Here's Platinum, but the sides are actually white. If I recall correctly on the website, the other three, I think there's 3 other options other than this. They all come with black cabinets. So we figured let's go with white cabinets, Platinum, brighten up the whole room since it's not that overly large of a garage, but let's get going. So that came in this big cabinet. There's another cabinet inside the very large one. I guess this is technically a locker. Shelves, bunch of hardware, instructions. Probably actually gonna look at the instructions, but we have some hardware there too. So hopefully it shouldn't be that bad. I remember seeing in the video stuff to secure it to the walls, stuff to secure it together, so. All right, so it got dark out that night. It got dark out. This is 2 days later because work and stuff like that in life. This is where we're at right now with the cabinets. Double on those cabinets. The workbench top is not secured. I got to figure out how I'm gonna secure that. Right now it's just resting on there. These cabinets 1, 2, and 3 have to go up on the wall. And so far, hardest part of this whole thing was putting the bases on for the feet. So these things, they're like brackets. There's 4 screws in each of them, times 4 so far, so do the math. That was the hardest part. These big cabinets, I guess they call them lockers technically. Open, nice. You have to open that side first, quiet close. With these lockers, I didn't measure how tall they are. Hold on one second. With these feet base things on, these lockers are 83 inches tall. My ceiling in the garage is 91 inches tall. I would, you maybe have a couple inches to spare if you really want. So if you're thinking about doing this for your garage and you want these lockers, just be careful. They might not fit if you're much lower than 91 inches. Because they didn't fit through my door standing up, so I had to lay them down, slide them in, and then lifting them back up. I lifted them up this way, so doing it that way, they're obviously going to be a little longer, and I was maybe that far from the ceiling. If you lifted it up front to back, you'll get a little more space, but be wary. Just be cautious with your measurements. It will be close. All right, so we're going to figure out doing the workbench top after this. I got one of the wall cabinets up. Little tip for you if you're doing this by yourself. This is some of the reason why I put up the plywood too, that I could drill this in anywhere. Figure out where your marks are going to be, how far you want it mounted and all that goodness. Put a 2x4 up. So then all you have to do is lift the cabinet on, and then you have something to rest it on, and all you have to do is hold it against the wall. Then you just screw it in. These top cabinets I'm probably going to screw together also with screwing it to the wall. I went pretty simple with it. Didn't go overkill. Got 1, 2, and 3. This thing is solid. Doesn't look like it's moving. All 3 are up. There's a little bit larger gap here than here for some reason. For whatever reason, it doesn't want to pull tight. But other than that, this one is a little different. I tried to make sure I got a stud on all of them. So as you see that, the screw, that's a stud. So I tried to keep it on the stud. So I got 2 like legit stud, then just one off to the side. Same with this one. Those two are a stud. That one's off to the side is like spare. Trying to shake it. They're not moving at all. One thing I am thinking of doing, I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll do this eventually. I was thinking of this cabinet. There's holes in the side of the locker, and there's holes. You can see on this one, these holes here. I was thinking of drilling those out into the locker because the ones that are in the locker don't line up. Just to attach them together, just so the whole thing doesn't slide. Because they slide pretty decently on the Swiss tracks on the floor. The feet have like a hard plastic on it. The Swiss tracks are plastic on plastic, not too bad. But as for right now, I'm not gonna screw them together because I figure once the workbench top is on, this big thing right there, once that's on, and there's a bunch of stuff in those toolboxes, it probably won't want to move at all. So we'll see how that goes. If anything, I probably just have to take out like the top drawer here, and then a couple things from the locker if it's even in the way at the time when I figure out to do it. Just screw them together. Then you'll have one point that's secured. So I'm gonna slide these back apart, take out this drawer, put the workbench top on. Gonna do that, screw the top on, then we're done, then we just gotta start organizing. Another thing with these cabinets, we do have another wall cabinet coming straight from NewAge. It's 42 inches. Let me actually show from over here. Don't think we're gonna need it. I forget what size those are, but a 42 inch is gonna go pretty far, and then there's not that much room. That shelf is hopefully gonna be put all into all this stuff, so should clean out. Gotta put the toolbox somewhere, have a compressor, but yeah. All right, so I haven't obviously been filming a lot. We're just doing a lot of organization. I feel like, I know I wouldn't want to watch someone just organize their garage. Pretty sure there's some OCD people out there that might enjoy it, but I didn't film it. So cabinets up, toolbox, not sure if the toolbox is staying there or if I'm gonna put it on that wall there. That rack I took apart, that's gonna get repurposed, probably put up in the attic just to straighten everything up. Other than that, pretty happy. I guess we'll just show some stuff here. It's all like around house stuff. Mostly car stuff, some painting stuff, oils and stuff, car parts, more and more stuff. Empty. Empty. Oh, sorry. There's gold tape in it. This one is more paint. This is sandpaper, spray paint, and painter's tape. Kind of all stuff you use at the same time, I guess. Drawers, mostly screws. Quarantine clippers, other random fittings and grommets and stuff, electrical, pretty empty. This is stuff to seal headlights if you do car stuff, parts for my truck, gardening stuff, random around the house / gardening outside stuff, household tools, and obviously different drill bits and stuff. Random. And empty. So as I was saying earlier, more storage than we thought it was going to be, which is always a plus. You can never have too much storage. When that other cabinet comes, we'll probably wind up taking those cabinets down over there or something, maybe put them up there. Maybe we'll get another locker to put over there. I don't know yet. I don't know if those doors are going to open with the piece of the garage door framing up there. They won't. They probably won't. Probably end this video tomorrow completely when I can get a good shot of more organized garage with the cabinets all tidied up, closed up and whatnot, because there's still a lot of stuff to go away. Obviously this was the old workbench. Gotta straighten that up. The car's not even in the garage anymore. Firewood and stuff, so all that stuff has to get put away somewhere. I will end the video when we get all that together and maybe the cars are back in, who knows. See you in a little bit. And we're back. Garage is done, I think. I mean, there's always small improvements to make here and there, but overall, pretty happy with the results right now. Let me show you everything, and I guess we'll give a quick first impression of the cabinets, I guess. All right, where to start? I guess we'll start with the one corner over here, go over. I think I may have spoke about this. I don't remember. That was actually 2 days ago, and then yes, don't worry about it. Let's start in this corner right here. So, made a tire rack for tires, wheel tire rack, gas for the lawnmower. I used to have cabinets up here. Those came down kind of, yeah, so this is firewood, charcoal stuff, whatever. That doesn't really matter. This area needs to be a little bit neater, but not too bad. This area actually didn't change at all. I figured I had everything kind of the way I wanted it already, because although I do work on cars in the garage, it is I do have to maintain the around the home too, so I need all that stuff. Cabinets. So those, I don't remember if the last thing I filmed the toolbox was over here, but toolbox over there, air compressor there. This wood is probably going to get cut up for underneath my jack so that it doesn't break my nice new floor. Extension cords. This was the old workbench. I actually cut I cut the sides off to make it shorter. It probably would have taken that entire thing beforehand, but that's cut now, shorter, more space savings. Remounted the vise there. Obviously not much space between my car and the vise, so I'll just have to roll the car out if I ever need to do anything. Ladder's in the same spot, tent in the same spot, jack stands all in the same spot. This area used to have shelves here for all my car cleaning supplies, so this was kind of like the car cleaning corner, so still kind of the car cleaning corner. Put this bar here, got these containers from Home Depot. Put this little rack so they sit there. I do have a third. The third one is for all dirty rags. This is clean rags. This is like the miscellaneous other spraying stuff and tire cleaning stuff. This is all like solvents and stuff, simple green, paint thinner, stuff like that. Cut the shelves down, stuffed them in here. All the ton of chemical guy stuff, obviously. Got this little rack, got these hanging. Other than that, pretty damn good. So that was the quick once around of the whole garage. Actually pulled the other car in. Look at all this room. Look at all this room for activity now. Whoa. Okay. Anyway, so NewAge cabinets. This is what we're actually here for. Who's calling me? Jesus. All right, where were we before? I was really interrupted by a phone call. NewAge Pro Series cabinets. I can't speak for the Bold Series because I'm not too sure on this one, on the adjustable shelf part. But I think there's not that many differences, but the Pro Series is significantly more money. Obviously, I mean, I do use these a lot, so, well, not these because I just got them, but I do things in the garage a lot, so I figure I'll spend the extra money now, so I don't have to worry about like having to replace hinges and drawers, slides breaking and whatnot. Not that I even know if that's an issue or not, but I figure let me just spend the extra money now so I don't have any worries at all. So I'll go in the cabinet quick. This main section, you have this little like pull spot here, and then it's doubled up with the metal. It has a magnet to hold it shut. Then the shelves are fully adjustable. If you can see in a spot here. Obviously you see those slits right there, so you have that adjustment, that small amount of adjustment from about here, which is maybe like 4 inches down from the top, all the way down to the bottom. So you have adjustments for days. We still have the same thing, not as high, but in the wall cabinets, as you see up there, adjustment from that spot right there all the way down to the bottom for shelves. Once again, I'm not sure if the Bold Series is the same way with the adjustability like this, but something to note. The bamboo top, they do have a stainless steel top, but I figured wood, bamboo, make it look a little, I don't know, more contrasting. This is the platinum. It actually comes with white sides. They do have, I think, gray, red, and whatever other color is completely black cabinet with the doors are a different color. This, I figured, let's go bright as possible, just to keep the garage nice and bright looking. So overall, very impressed with these. Putting it together, obviously there's barely any assembly required. It's just those things I was saying earlier. The feet right there. You just got to screw in at the bottom. Now the part that is not the cabinets, back to like the Swiss tracks. If these tiles were a little bit wider over here, because you see how the color starts right at the edge of the door there. Well, it's a little past the edge of the door. And car, I don't want to get too much closer this way, so car isn't completely on it. I can get it on it, but have that bit off. And then the bends, we favor it this way a little bit, just so there's a lot more walking space over here. So once again, if these tiles were like slid over a little bit, those have to be this way a little bit, these have to be this way a little bit, it would be like perfect. That's a minimal baby complaint. That's like not even worth complaining about. I'm gonna end this video so you don't have to continue looking at my ridiculous hair. So a couple things I want to do. I might put some lighting underneath the wall cabinets just to give a little more light down there. Probably don't need it. Gonna work with it for a little while. I do have some lights that I can put up, so I don't even have to buy any. Not sure if I'm gonna do that yet. Then chargers for the drills, have to put those up somewhere. I'm not too sure where I want to put them yet. I was originally thinking putting them under there, but then it might look too cluttered under there, so I might put them over here. Toolbox is right here. I might put them over here somewhere close to the toolbox. Not sure yet, but those are things I'm gonna have to figure out after doing work in the garage here and there. But thanks for joining me. If you have any questions about these things, leave them down in the comments below. I actually bought these off Amazon, this whole set, so you can get it on Amazon. It's the same price from as if you were buying it from NewAge themselves. I did buy a cabinet from NewAge also to add on. Once again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer whatever I can. I mean, I'm no expert in this stuff, but I'll try to answer them. Like the video. If you like the outcome of everything, I will link probably at the end of this video the other garage updating ones, like the old ones. This is probably like last time ever doing this because I'm very happy with this. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Got some more, got a 240 mod that I gotta throw on. I think my body kit for the car is coming soon, hopefully. Gotta figure out what we're doing with the bends and all that stuff. So subscribe, follow along, got going off-roading again with the truck, all this good stuff. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Storage, OCD, storage wars, organization skills, all that stuff. Peace.